Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 1, Evolutions of Computer. In this chapter we will study about history of computer. The inventions of different calculating devices. Right from abacus, the first counting device, and after that many devices were invented, leading to the development of computers. Calculating devices means devices which are using for calculation only, like addition, subtraction, multiply and division. Abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device used for calculation. It developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame, as you can see here. These wooden frame having rods. These rods having beads. This device is divided into two parts, upper and lower. Upper part is called as heaven and the lower part is called as earth. Heaven has 2 beads and the earth has 5 beads. This device is used for addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. This machine is Pascaline. It was developed by Blaise Pascal. It used gear, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. This machine was capable of performing addition and subtraction. This is Leibniz calculator. It is developed by German mathematician Leibniz. It developed to improve Pascaline adding machine, because Pascaline machine is used only for addition and subtraction, but this calculator can perform many more functions like multiply, divide and square root. Now we will talk about early IT inventors. Charles Babbage, known as the father of the computer. He invented first computer in this world, so he is known as the father of computer. He invented two models, difference engine and analytical engine. Analytical engine has 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. Input is same as today as input device, output as output device, store similar to memory today, and mill was calculating unit and control is for controlling. Lady Ada Augusta, she was first programmer. She given first program to her, so she is known as the first programmer. George Boole, given the Boolean logic. Today computers are working with binary language, that is 0 and 1. It is known as Boolean logic and this Boolean logic is given by George Boole. Tabulating machine. This machine is given by Dr. Hermann Hollerith. This was capable of reading data, processing it and giving desired output. This machine used punch card as input. John von Neumann. He given a modern type of computer which we are using today in this world. So software written in binary code was given by John von Neumann. Howard Aiken was a primary engineer in IBM company. This is Mark I computer which is given by Howard. It used for long computation. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first digital computer invented by John Moseley and J. Brisper. It used vacuum tubes and 1,000 times faster than Mark I computer. Thank you everyone.